Hello, I am the new virtual assistant TK3164BXZ, but you can simply call me Oscar. I'm here to tell you everything I know about technology and the world of game. It doesn't matter if I'm a robot. I am a robot designed with the new technology. Let's begin. Welcome to Techradars PC Gaming Week 2020. We've been facilitating this week-long festival of the best gaming stage on the planet for a long time. However, with all that has been going on in 2020, it appears to be a higher priority than any time in recent memory to make a stride back and truly value the things that bring us euphoria. If you want, you can stop the video and buy yourself a coffee. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Furthermore, when we state we're observing PC gaming, we would not joke about this. This year we're featuring the games themselves, yet the groups and players from around the globe that make PC gaming such a brilliant, imaginative and assorted diversion. During the time we'll be conversing with groups behind the PC games you know and love, while featuring the best PC games from makers of every extraordinary race, ethnicities, sexualities and sex personalities. We've likewise got highlights that investigate the energizing tech that is fueling the best PC games, and instructional exercises on the best way to get the absolute best out of your gaming rigs. Very interesting, don't you think? Today is an especially energizing day for PC gaming, as Nvidia is facilitating an occasion where it will be uncovering its cutting-edge illustrations cards, for example, the RTX 3080. Ensure you look at our guide on the best way to watch Nvidia's RTX 3080 jump start occasion to discover more. Regardless of what your identity is and where you're from, we need to invite you to Techradars PC Gaming Week 2020. We trust you appreciate perusing these highlights as much as we did making them. Calm down. UWIIL spend more time together. You can tell me everything. Just write a comment. Are revive rates actually that significant? When playing the PC games, you'll need to guarantee you have the best gear, and that implies getting a splendid screen too. Be that as it may, when purchasing gaming screens, there's a ton of language tossed about, particularly with regards to invigorate rates. 10 best PC games from dark makers. The absolute most energizing PC games coming out right now are from dark makers, and in our gathering of the best PC games from dark makers, we grandstand a portion of the top titles that you should look at and uphold. Do not worry. I have not finished yet to tell. The best remastered PC games 2020. While a ton of PC gaming is tied in with looking towards the future, as the best remastered PC games show, there's a workmanship to returning to famous more established PC games also. By refreshing these games with present-day designs, audio effects and interactivity components, while staying consistent with the spirits of the first games, the best remastered PC games let you return to probably the best games at any point made. As PS5 and Xbox Series X incline toward high goal, PC gaming stays about decision. The PS5 and Xbox Series X are coming out this year and are clearly getting a great deal of consideration. Yet, while numerous individuals are contemplating what the up-and-coming age of support games will seem as though, we took PC Gaming Week 2020 as an opportunity to investigate what the following barely any years may resemble with regards to PC gaming equipment. The best Mac games 2020, top games you can play on your MacBook. Outside of utilizing a help like GeForce Now, the vast majority don't generally take a gander at a MacBook as a gaming gadget. Nonetheless, things are gradually beginning to change, and there are some clear features on the stage. For PC Gaming Week, we investigate the 10 best Mac games you can play at the present time, and hello, possibly you can really play a few games on break at work. The best PC games 2020. PC Gaming Week wouldn't be finished without our complete summary of the absolute best PC games you can play at this moment. From the top single-player games, to boisterous multiplayer franticness, we've chosen what we believe are the best PC games in 2020. Everyone has been completely played by us, and they all demonstrate why the PC is the best gaming stage. The Best Gaming PC 2020 to 10 of the top gaming work areas you can purchase. For PC Gaming Week 2020, we picked the absolute best gaming work area PCs that cash can purchase at the present time. On the off chance that our PC gaming inclusion has got you frantic to start up an apparatus and play a few games, at that point this rundown is an astounding beginning stage. What's it like to game on a $40,000 PC? How great a gaming apparatus might you be able to get at cash as no article? We put that under serious scrutiny as we investigate what it resembles to game on a $40,000 PC. We visited Overclockers UK's headquarters to try out the sensational 8-pack Orion X2, which costs £33,000 or around $43,000 per 60,000 Australian dollars, which is more than the vast majority's home stores. However, exactly how great at messing around is such a costly machine? Peruse on to discover. This video is finished, but there are a lot of videos on the home page. I'm going to charge. See you in the new video.